Dear friends, welcome to the channel. And today I have brought you a very special recipe from New York called buffalo wings. This recipe is made for people who love spice. The message from our team today is always be grateful in your life, as this will help us build a better society. So let's start with our buffalo wings today. First we will take 1 kilogram wings, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons seeded chili sauce and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Please mix the wings and ingredients and marinate for 2 hours. After marinating the wings, we will prepare the sauce for buffalo wings. We will set the heat to medium settings and take 150 grams of butter. Once the butter has been melted, we will add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Please fry till light golden color is achieved. Next we will add 150 ml of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup and mix them together. Please cook for 3 minutes. Next we will take 3 cups of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of powdered salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper and mix it together. This will form the breading for our buffalo wings. We will now beat 2 eggs in 1/4 cup milk. This will form the dipping mixture for our meat before placing it on the top of the breading. The best way to bread buffalo wings is to scoop and fold from all directions for 20 times. This will make sure that a uniform breading is applied on all sides of the wings. We will now fry the wings in an oil which is at 350 Fahrenheit. The first 2 minutes, the heat is set to high settings. After 2 minutes, we will stir the chicken and then reduce the heat to medium settings. The total cook time for our buffalo wings is 9 minutes. We will now pour the buffalo sauce on top of these wings as shown in the video. Please toss and mix the buffalo wings. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please press the like button and leave us a comment in the comment box. Our buffalo wings are ready and can be served with garlic sauce. Please note they're very hot and very delicious. With this, it is goodbye from us for today. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones. And thanks for visiting our channel.